No, we are going to come around, so if you see us on the backside, we'll be yelling to you. That means stop shooting. Okay. We're going to take out that side over there. Okay. So that means that's going to stop shooting at you once we get around there.
All right.
Then we'll take the next section.
It's going to be pretty exciting.
Who's the fastest we got over here? Jay?
No. I'll be with you, I just won't be fast. I'll plant the bomb if you give me cover.
How about this, young man? You coming with us? You fast?
Yes.
Go that way. Rafe, get ready.
I'll go right.
Yeah, me with you.
2, 1, go.
Contact front! Check him, ref. Back corner, ref, right there behind the bush. He's out. That back corner, Jay?
Get down low. There you go.
Let him out! Let him out! Again, they're right.
I'm taking him out like by the boatload. Somebody switch in for me. Jay!
Right, go, 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 go!
Switch in, I'm loading. Loading!
Hurry up, please.
There's a shitload back there. They're all bunched up.
Oh yeah, they're in the front. He's in the trees.
There's plenty of guys to shoot at, dudes.
He's in the trees.
Go, go!
They're in the trees.
All right, Jay.
Go, that way, go that way. Move, someone move up.
I'm moving to the barrels. I'm going to load. I'm going to move up. All right, he's moving up.
We can't even get him out of those trees. To get him out of those trees, it's going to be unfair.
Chef,
Get out of there, lady. Thank you.
You're so polite, Jim.
Well, you know.
Hey, Arden, where is it?
The trees, right?
Corner's clear up top. Loading. Hold up. Move up to that little bump in the ground there. All right, good. Shoot at that guy, please. Watch his head. He's going to pop up again. You're out, buddy. Ref, check that guy in the blue. Don't pull your mask up. Don't pull your mask up, buddy.
He's leaving.
All right, boys. All right, ready? Jay! Let's go. Contact front. Come on out, come on out.
Let him out of there.
I fucking tore up about 8 guys.
Hang on, Ray.
Loading!
Move out.
Ray.
Hold up, Jay.
Let him out.
I just
I
killed.
gotta get up. Yeah, I know. I gotta get up there.
He ran over the top. Watch behind us, Jay.
Front, front. Bushes, 10 meters.
Fuck.
All right, I got a bomb.
Bushes, 10 meters. Front.
Not yet, Jimmy, not yet.
How about you, Jay? Can you climb up here and get in that building?
Loading.
Put the gun down. Oh, you can't. Let me give you a foot up.
I'm up.
What are you doing here, boys? Go in there, hurry up. Get it on there and get out. Get out.
Stack it,
Get out.
Jay. Bomb it. Out you go.
There's another bomb across the way. We got one in our building over there. We can get a third one.
Where?
He ran in there. I popped him.
Look at. Yeah.
You want to get that? You want to get the demo?
Yeah, we can.
Contact!
Where's he coming from?
Behind the bushes. Right behind that chunk. I'm going to load again. I'm going through so much ammo. It's fucking ridiculous.
Where's the bar contact out there, guys? See him? Shoot him! Don't let them get past that point.
Jay, there's demo in the back corner building.
That way, guys.
They're
letting them go through.
Right there. Where is it? Let him out. Where is it?
Jim, you said back corner there?
Yeah, he's in that
All right.
back corner.
No blind firing.
Right now, they're coming up on our flank, though, guys.
Should we hook back?
No, to your left. Two of them made it across.
I got three in the bushes here. You guys can head to the road where we came from.
What do you think? Over the top to the center?
Eventually.
Just watch it.
How about it?
Whoa.
You're good. Get down.
There's a bomb up in that bunker.
Which one?
Take it out. Get up from the back. Go up from the back, run in, grab it, and get it out of there. Don't leave it in there.
Okay.
Just run in and grab it and get back out.
What do you guys got? Whoa. Right in front of you, huh?
He's flanking our right, guys.
Oh shit, he just hit it. Fuck.
Let him out.
All right, Jay. Jim, I'm gonna roll back that way.
Go.
All right, Jay, let's push him back.
Go.
Get down.
All right, wait, Demo, you go with him. See that guy?
Yep.
Go with him. What's the problem?
Right. Taking a right.
All right, let's go around back and hook him.
Hold on. Loading.
You got bad guys over here?
That way.
Behind the wall?
No, a little farther beyond the tree line right there. He kept shooting. I had to get out of there.
I see him.
Okay.
Jay,
On your left shoulder.
two bad guys front.
That bunker. Get down.
I'm out.
He's gone. Got a player leaving board.